Hey guys, it's Arihi TV. Today I'm going to make a video for you guys. Today is February 2nd of 2018. Today is going to be actually about my smartphone. I have the Samsung Galaxy S8 active. However, I have a problem with my phone. I have a recording problem. So, there are times where whenever I record on my phone, there's crackling background as I record. And basically, every time when I record, it doesn't happen all the time, but I do notice that there's like a little voice canceling right in the beginning before I talk, or something like that. But I don't know what it really is. But I have an example to show you guys. So I recorded the Hill Brothers music, one with the problem and one without the problem. So there's like a sound problem whenever I record sometimes, but it only happens when I record on my phone for video. It doesn't happen for voice messaging or anything like that. It doesn't happen for voice recorder. It doesn't happen for listening to YouTube videos. It only happens if I record videos on my phone. I've had that same issue when I had the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, but then when I had a recent update, it didn't happen anymore. But there was a recent update on my phone just about a couple days ago. I thought that would go away, but it didn't go away. I even did a lot of things too. I've cleared cache and data. I also did device maintenance too, because I was speaking to Samsung about it. Samsung says that if my steps don't work, it could be a hardware problem. So I may have to get this phone serviced. So I really hope my phone isn't broken for recording. And I really hope I can get a new phone like that. If I get a brand new active, hopefully this won't work. Hopefully this won't happen again. Or maybe I can get a Galaxy S8 Plus again that I used to have, and I didn't have a problem with that at all when I recorded. So here's an example of a video I recorded without the crackling noise or without the voice canceling, and one with it.
Come on in, sit right down. It's time for good feelings, there's no time to frown. There's a whole lot of friendship waiting to be found. All you gotta do is sit right down. There's friends in the backyard, friends down the street, friends around the corner, wherever you can meet. We got friends across the river, friends across the land, reaching out in friendship. Let's take each other's hand and come on in.
Now here's a video with the problem.
Come on in, sit right down. It's time for good feelings, there's no time to frown. There's a whole lot of friendship waiting to be found. All you gotta do is sit right down. There's friends in the backyard, friends down the street, friends round the corner, wherever you can meet. We got friends across the river, friends across the land, reaching out in friendship. Let's take each other's hand and come on in, sit right.
So yeah, I hope you guys could tell what the problem is. Now, maybe it's a static problem or something. I've seen other videos where people complain to Samsung that there's a static noise when they record. That could be it. I've already spoken to Samsung about it. They think it might be a hardware problem, so I think I might have to get this phone serviced. My dad might take me to West Springfield, Massachusetts next week so I could get it serviced. So, if you guys know what the problem is, please tell me. Please comment because I will need to know what the problem is because I don't know how to fix it. I don't know what the deal is. So yeah. So that's why I want to show you guys. So thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe below, and as always, peace out.